Storytelling with charts. Storytelling with charts is a powerful method to convey and structure complex information to an audience. By using the narrative format to explain the data, the audience will be able to understand the data. One main factor in storytelling is using the correct chart to present the data to the audience where it directly affects how they grasp the content. There are different types of charts used for different stories, and each one is only relevant to the story that is going to be told. An alternative chart to display these same data is a slope chart. A slope chart shows the change over time of a single variable from multiple entities by connecting pairs of data points for each entity. Many states are represented on the line chart to the left, with many possible insights. It is difficult for the audience to interpret any particular insight because the chart is complicated. The chart to the right uses the pre-attentive attribute of color to focus on the state of Florida. One simple but effective use of size as a pre-attentive attribute in data visualization is using a big associated number, BAN, that we can illustrate the use of a BAN to emphasize the approximate number of dogs that enter animal shelters each year. Thank you.